Adagio or adage, meaning slowly or at ease. So what you're doing is slow movements performed with fluidity and grace. So you're gonna go all the way up to that knee, and from the knee you're gonna extend out. And in this beginning position, we are just gonna go with the foot into the leg, drawing it up to the knee, and you're gonna bring it back down. So this motion is called the retiré passé, meaning that you're dragging the foot up to the knee. Keep that knee out and hips square so you don't fall over. Let's go for full body. Stand up straight. And now you're gonna extend to the front, showing that heel again. Maximum rotation out. Let's see you do that to the side as well. Present that heel and down to the floor. Going to the back, try not to dive forward. The hips are gonna open up a little bit, but not too much. Let's add those arms. The arms are gonna come up all the way to the navel, and they're gonna open up when you extend the leg and come down when you close the leg. So together, this is a very fluid motion and very graceful, giving you that chance of deep breaths and long legs. And when you open, see it as a lift. Don't see it that you're closing the leg, bringing it down. Try to lift it a little bit more than you would usually do and maintain that posture and alignment. Remember, the knees need to point out, not to the front. When you extend from the knee and try to lift a little bit extra. Especially now when you're gonna open up to the side. Open that knee a little bit more and then bring it down. Keep that knee out and bring it back. Relax.